Gentlemen, we have Casen, the Ninja, Martinez, Leopard, Chipotle, Burrito, Fire, Paper Plane Man. Casen, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, proceed. And he misses. Now it's my turn.
Okay.
You have to announce
I
me.
get their turn.
Well, you have to announce me. Now it's my turn.
Dad.
That's it. I don't get any height.
Lightning Ray.
And he scores, ladies and gentlemen.
Now next up is Casen.
Fire Leopard, Breathing Man. Ah, almost. Ow.
My turn again.
Okay, you sure it's your
I
turn?
didn't get it.
Sure, go ahead.
I get another turn.
Okay.
Okay, my teeth.
Can you announce me again?
Presenting Daddy Lightning Ray.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. My epic goal!
For the championship now.
Okay, can you hand me my airplane? Thank you! Alright, Dad, my turn.
Okay, go.
I get our turn. I get our turn.
Okay. Aren't you a bit close? Okay, my turn. Okay, go ahead.
No,
No, he's holding it.
no, stop that.
I'm
Stop hanging on to it.
Ah, man.
And I got it.
Okay, let's
Uh,
go. 3.
hang on. Hey, you're not even at the door yet.
It's okay. What's wrong with this thing? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Bullseye!
I got bullseye. We both landed at the exact same amount.
We both did.